Hello guys, welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. So in this video we are going to look at Rubi airdrop, how you can apply for KYC. Many people say that they are going to give you a notification, but it's advisable to apply. So if you have not started mining Rubi, I'll drop the link in the video description. Start mining Rubi immediately. Rubi is going to do well. Rubi is the next pair that is going to do well. Right now we are on the heavy, which is 50%, and we are currently at 0.625. That is where we are. And once we reach this 0.3, mining will end. So make sure you start mining immediately. Accumulate points so that you can apply for KYC. And how do you apply for KYC? If you click over to your profile, you can see user verification, tap on it. Then you can see eKYC, tap on it. You need to watch the ad. So you need to click on continue. The KYC version is 1.5 checklist, and Rubi has said they are going to do another global KYC, which is 1.6. And before you reach this third criteria, which to receive invitation from KYC, you must export at least 30 Rubi. If you have gotten at least 30 Rubi, it is important for you to apply for KYC. And if you have not yet gotten the 30 Rubi, you can as well apply to be on a safer side. Now, for us to apply, we need to go back to the home. Click on this place. Once you tap on this your mining, you can now see my group Rubi Explore. Click on Rubi Explore. So this is the Rubi Explore. You need to take your time and read it and find out what you need to know. Now you can see statistics. Tap on this statistics. So this is the total earning. I have 27 Rubi. I have not gotten to 30 Rubi. And user, so you can now see mining. Right now you can now see these three lines by the right hand side. Tap on it. It's obvious I'm not using my pointer, sorry for that. So you can now see filter new members, filter KYC status. Click it on, leave it on all. Mining status, leave it on, then you click on apply. Applying as a new member. Wait for it to load. It has applied as a new member. Then you tap on these three lights again. Now you keep it on the old member. You leave it on KYC status all, mining status all. Then click on apply. You wait for it to load. It has now, you have now applied. Now, once the next KYC global version, which is 1.6, once it is activated for new miners to verify their wallet, you will not be able to receive notification. You need to apply so that once the system opens, you will be able to receive the invitation for you to apply for KYC. So right now, go and apply. Whether you have gotten 30 Rubi or not, apply and be on the wait list so that once the system opens for new KYC members, you can easily apply. So that is it for this video. I'm currently buying and selling USDT, Solana, and what have you. If you want to do any business with us, join me in my WhatsApp groups. I'm the admin there, and I will reply you immediately. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.